Here is the FireAnt stove loaded with vertical sticks. To this I'm going to add one cotton ball soaked in Vaseline. See if we can get it to light. The objective is to boil 16 ounces of water to make coffee. I'll bring you back in once we're ready to go. The cotton ball is now in place. I'll light it and the fire will begin. As you can see, the cotton ball is burning. We'll see if our sticks catch. Unfortunately, it does not appear that the cotton ball is going to provide sufficient initial heat and flame to get the sticks going. When the cotton ball goes completely out, I'll replace it with a chemical fire starter. After adding another cotton ball with Vaseline and a fire stick, I believe it's going to go now. I've had to put a windscreen around it because the wind has picked up substantially since I started. I'll allow it to burn for another minute or so before I put the top on it, put the cup on top of it to begin boiling the water and start the timing. The timer is running. I will check it at 1.5 minutes and at 3 minutes, and then I will stop the timer when it actually boils. We've just passed the 1.5 minute mark, and I'm going to try to check and see where we're at. Some very tiny bubbles at the bottom, but nowhere close to boiling yet. Let's see where we are at the 3 minute mark. You can see there are some bubbles at the bottom of the cup, but we have not reached a boil yet. I'll check it again at 4.5 minutes, or if I hear it boil before then. I'm beginning to hear the pre-boil rumble that is so common with this particular pot. We're now reaching a boil. It took me a moment to get the phone unlocked. We reached a boil at just at 5 minutes. Here's what it looks like after 6.5 minutes with the coffee pot removed.